and welcome to the End User Computing Device course. In this session, we will cover the fundamentals of tablet devices, including their form factors and features. We'll also sell some tablet devices to Mindy. Let's get started! So, Mindy, we've come a long way on your journey into learning the basics of end-user devices. Do you mind if we do a quick recap of your business needs before we get started on the shopping?
No, not at all. So I already run a small brick-and-mortar pet grooming business, but I'm about to launch into my dream, adding a mobile component so that I can travel to my customers who may have pets with mobility or anxiety issues. I have a point-of-sale system that I love, but most of my current technology could use an update. It's all running Windows 10, and it's starting to run a little slowly.
All right, that's a perfect place to start. So you'd like the groomers who are working in a mobile capacity to be able to access your point-of-sale system from anywhere?
That's right!
Sounds like it's the perfect time to talk about tablets then. A tablet computer, commonly shortened to tablet, is a thin, flat mobile computer with a touchscreen display. Modern tablets are often a hybrid of a computer's capability and a smartphone's mobility, often enabling our clients to collect payment on the go. The touchscreen display uses the recognition of finger and stylus gestures to replace the mouse or trackpad used in laptops. Like laptops, a tablet also uses a rechargeable battery. Let's take a look at tablet form factors. Slate. Slates are the most traditional form of tablet computer. They are slim, lightweight, and ultra-portable, as well as being flexible and powerful enough for all sorts of general use. Convertible, 2-in-1 attached. These tablets come with a keyboard attached, which can be folded 180 degrees backwards to stand on their own. They have a level of performance that is comparable to most laptops, however, they're a little less portable due to their weight. Hybrid, 2-in-1 detachable. The hybrid is a variation of a convertible tablet. Instead of having a fixed or foldable keyboard, these are totally detachable on hybrids. Depending on the design of the hybrid, the keyboard can sometimes function as a dock as well. Rugged. Rugged tablets are designed for work in harsh environments. They may be carried by first responders or military personnel. These tablets are reliable and are constructed to be shock, dust, and waterproof with extra rubber padding. When sells a tablet, it's important that we make sure our clients have all the right software, accessories, and services to complete their user experience. These items will enhance their productivity and increase the functionality of the tablet. Let's take a look at some examples. Cables. Does your client need additional power or charging cables? Carrying case. Does your client need to protect their tablets by purchasing protective gear for their employees? Keyboard. Does your client need an external keyboard for ease of typing? Now let's get back to Mindy so we can help her decide what tablet to purchase. Do you see a form factor that catches your eye, Mindy?
Well, the Slate form factor is what I picture when I think of tablet, and it's the cheapest type. I think I like that one.
All right. Will these tablets be located in one spot in the van, or will groomers be able to carry them around and leave them anywhere?
They'll be able to set them down wherever so that it's easy to take a payment.
Okay, perfect. So your groomers are working out of vans, correct? Is it likely to get wet in there, say if you have a large dog who's going to shake themselves dry?
Oh, I hadn't considered that. If it's an anxious animal, they might wiggle around too. I don't want my tablets to go flying.
With a rugged form factor tablet, you won't have to worry even if it does go flying. Let's set you up with the Durabook R11L. That way it'll stay reliable even if it gets in the way of your most unruly customers. It's a Windows tablet too, which means your point-of-sale system can work with it.
That sounds perfect. Wow, tablets sure can do a lot, but will they be able to handle the heavy lifting involved with the videos I create for my social media advertising?
We probably want to find you something more robust for that, Mindy. Next up, we'll talk about notebooks.